All right, I just wanted to show a quick video. This is a 8.8 out of a 97 Crown Vic. Yeah, I boxed these control arms. Took this plate steel, and then it just has this slight bend in it. And then I also notched it right here to clear this, and then basically just welded it on both sides. And this made a huge difference in traction and launching from the line. So this is probably one of the cheapest forms of, getting your car to hook better over a locker. And of course you want to do a locker and, bigger tires and stuff like that. But this is a good place to start if you just have some metal laying around in a welder. These made a huge difference on my car. You could really feel the difference. And even if you're doing drifting or maybe some sort of autocross or something, I'd still recommend these by far. If you just wanted your car to ride like a grandma's car, I wouldn't do this at all, but this really does stiffen up the rear end, and it's super easy. You could do this in about a few hours for little to no money. And here's the bottom one. So again, nothing fancy. I just got a random piece of steel that was laying around and welded it in. I'm sure you could go hardcore and do this whole piece, but I didn't want to get too close to the rubber. Plus, like I said, just this alone makes a huge difference. So before you want to spend $300 or $400, you could do something like this and see if that works for you.